Hello aspirants, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Career Power Siliguri. I hope you guys are preparing well for your upcoming exams. Exams will be conducted soon, so keep yourself prepared for your upcoming exams. From today, we will start a new series on banking awareness. Banking awareness is one of the most important topics for the banking mains examination. Like in SBI or IBPS PO, the section of general awareness or ECO or banking awareness, which consists of 40 questions carrying 40 marks with a duration of 35 minutes. In SBI or IBPS CLERK, the section of general or financial awareness consists of 50 questions carrying 50 marks with a duration of 35 minutes. In RBI Assistant, the section of general awareness consists of 40 questions carrying 40 marks with a duration of 25 minutes. तो ये था एक brief discussion on a banking awareness pattern of various banking exams. Today, we will start with the introduction class, so let's begin. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest video we upload. And please follow our Facebook and Instagram pages and join our Telegram channel to get the latest job notification, current affairs, and you can also attend the quizzes we upload. Now, the basic question arises. What is banking? Banking is an industry that involves in accepting and safeguarding money owned by other individuals and entities and lending out money in order to earn a profit. The next question is, what is bank? Bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and provide loans. Also provides financial service such as wealth management, currency exchange, financial market trading, and many more. Now let's move on to the next part, that is history of Indian banking. Bank of Hindustan established in 1770s and is considered as among the first modern banks in colonial India. This bank was established in Calcutta. Then Britishers established three presidency banks on three important cities, that is Bank of Calcutta, Bank of Bombay, and Bank of Madras. In 1921, three presidency banks were merged together to form a single bank, that is Imperial Bank of India. It also served as central bank, and finally Imperial Bank of India, which in turn became the State Bank of India in 1955. Now, some important facts. The first bank in India is Bank of Hindustan, established on 1770s. This bank was established at Calcutta under European management. इसका मतलब है बैंक तो इंडिया पे बना था, लेकिन इसका जो मैनेजमेंट था वो यूरोपियन था. It was liquidated in 1830 and 32. The Bank of Calcutta established on 2nd of June 1806, but on 2nd of Jan in 1809, it was renamed as Bank of Bengal. The second presidency bank was the Bank of Bombay, which was established on 15th of April 1840. And the third one was the Bank of Madras, which was established on 1st of July 1843. Now, the three presidency banks was merged together to form the Imperial Bank of India, which was established on 27th of January in 1921, and the headquarters was in Bombay. And the State Bank of India was formed on 1st of July in 1955, and headquarters was in Bombay. Now, the next part is nationalization of banks. What do we mean by nationalization? Nationalization is the process of transforming private assets into the public assets by bringing them under the public ownership of सेंट्रल और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. इसका मतलब है बैंकों का राष्ट्रीयकरण, मतलब कोई भी जो प्राइवेट एसेट्स है या बैंक है उसको पब्लिक एसेट्स में कन्वर्ट करना या ट्रांसफर करना. तो जो नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ बैंक्स है वो दो फेज में होता है, फेज 1 एंड फेज 2. इन फेज 1 14 मेजर कमर्शियल बैंक वाज nationalized on 19th of July 1969. The name of the banks are Allahabad Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Dena Bank, Indian Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Central Bank of India, Syndicate Bank, Union Bank, and United Bank of India. In phase 2, 6 more commercial bank was nationalized on 15th of April 1980. The name of the banks are Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank, New Bank of India, Vijaya Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce. Later on in 1993, the new Bank of India was merged with Punjab National Bank. नाउ बिफोर कंक्लूडिंग आप सब लोग के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है, इज एसबीआई अ नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक और अ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक? इसका आंसर आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए। आई होप आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। सो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो थैंक यू, कीप वॉचिंग, कीप स्टडिंग।